Welcome back guys. I am back with another video where I'm going to make on how you can flash your device this name Xiaomi 17 Ultra. This is a simple guide. I am back. I know that each device has the same guidelines, but there is some important things which is changed. So you should just be careful if you have already saved my guidance in your desktop or your PC, tablets, etc. So let's move. What you need to do, first of all, download or require tools and drivers. Before anything else, your PC where you are going to run must be ready and download and install. This is simple guidelines I took from AI. I don't want to waste the more time here, just guiding you each and every line or read each line. I don't want that testing. Let's back to the work. Let's see. This is the model name we can take and let's discuss with AI. Hello, GPT. I am back with another question. I want to flash my device. That name is, let's see. Nice for Xiaomi 17 Ultra is usually done with MI flash tool. I already told not all tools or drivers for all devices, so you should be careful. What we need first of all, install MI flash tool. So basically you can download it from the Google like this and click on it. You can see the screen of this and down click on this button and you can read some information if you are going to run. There are other versions as well. If your device do not support, you can use any of them. And here is suggested some guide, power off, and then volume down plus power key button. Press and hold both buttons together for 6 to 8 seconds. Once you enter in the fast boot, you will be able to see the following scale screen. You connect the Xiaomi device to the computer using cable, original cables. Open Xiaomi Play Store and look at the firmware that you have downloaded and installed on the computer. So everyone is worrying that how you can download the scatter file, which is very important for every device. Click on the refresh button. This will allow Xiaomi Flash Tool to recognize the device. Click on the flash. So you can see the fully guideline, but it's a simple way. You can run yourself, or you can study, or you can watch extra ROM. You will see the flash.board. This all guides we already learned from the real website. Okay, some information I would like to share with you that very important before you are going to do or start. Important that is bootloader must be unlocked and you should keep your device data because it will not restore again. So backup the data and then use the correct ROM global China match and make your smartphone charge up to 60 plus. So that's all for now. I hope you understand and we will connect in our next video.